tignan mo lang. Yes.
Wow, tapang. Mark, this is a new restaurant. Pero umpisahan natin, Nano Babo Kabalin, welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, kayo ba yung naghahanap ng bagong puntahan dito sa may Lazatin Boulevard na swak sa budget nyo? And
Guys,
this is for you.
Yes, this is Flame and Tide, a newly opened restaurant and a great place. Anyway, if you wanna know more about the food that they serve dito po sa video na to, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
So, and guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa isang kwarto na located dito sa may side ng dining area natin, in which you can actually choose kung ano yung ipapaluto mo.
Actually dito, yung concept nila parang turo mo luto ko. So dito, napakadami natin options, especially sa mga seafoods natin.
So what do we have, bro?
So sa mga fish natin, so meron tayo dito yung pampano, emperor fish, meron din tayong lapu-lapu, maya-maya, talakitok, tsaka yung samaral. So ito yung samaral, parang ngayon ko lang narinig.
Actually, a lot of the fishes, medyo rare. Yung mga, I mean, you don't get that usually sa market or ganyan. Pero dito guys, yung mga rare fishes and available po sila dito.
At the same time, pwede mo siya lang paluto dito, sabi ko kanina. Meron din tayo dito yung mga salmon belly, meron tayong blue marlin, meron din tayong tuna belly, tsaka yung tuna paka.
Alright. So available dito guys, meron din tayong mga crabs, pusit, at saka shrimp. So, what else we do? Pili tayo dito, paluto natin.
Yes. So, I'm excited.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so this is it. This is our table. So once again, thank you so much, Flame and Tide, for inviting us. Sobra. Yeah, let's talk about the dishes that they served us. Ano ba yung mga nandito sa table natin? Una ako dito sa mga fried rice natin. Okay, so meron tayong chow fan at saka yung alige.
Yes.
And then sa mga mixed seafood naman natin,
meron tayong butter garlic.
Butter garlic.
And lang sweet and spicy.
Oh, syempre meron din tayong mga Kapampangan food. This is our very own sisig.
Sizzling sisig.
Sizzling sisig. Meron tayo ditong panipuri. Yung presentation is Indian, pero yung talagang kakainin natin is
parang palaman niya is
Kapampangan.
sisig.
Yun, ang galing.
Actually, this is bago sa atin.
Yeah.
Bagong-bago sa atin.
Yeah.
At the same time, syempre, hindi naman mawawala dyan. Meron tayong crispy pata, meron tayong buffalo wings, baby back ribs, calamare, syempre, chicharon bulaklak.
Chicharon bulaklak.
Yes. Kung maalala nyo, nagpaluto tayo.
Yes.
So, nagpaluto tayo kanina ng kanilang grilled pusit, kanilang grilled blue marlin. And isa sa mga bago naman na dish na nandito is itong crab rangoon.
Additionally, meron tayong crispy pata. Take note, this is just one serving. Laki nila.
So, meron din tayo kanilang sesame chicken. So, next thing to do natin, syempre, let's taste it.
Ay, grabe. Okay, so samahan nyo kami guys. Sitingman natin ito lahat as much as we can. So, let's go.
Since bago nga sa atin itong panipuri sisig nila, and sabi nga nila yung kanilang sauce is a fusion of Indian and Kapampangan. Since fusion din ng mga Kapampangan itong panipuri sisig nila. Let's go. This is nice. Sarap niya.
And good thing dito, this is a new restaurant that you can actually enjoy. So napakalaki ng space. That means, pwede po kayong mag-gather dito and have an event. This is a full-fledged restaurant po na just gimikan during evening, no? So they can actually cater sa mga gusto nyong ipapaluto.
Speaking of papaluto, kanina since nagpaluto nga tayo, syempre dito titignan ko yung kanilang grilled pusit. And kagandahan naman dito, kahit anong luto yung paluto nyo, pwede. So pwedeng may sabaw, grilled, katulad ng pinaluto natin, fried, or kahit anong gusto nyo luto, pwede.
Alright, so let's taste this. One more shrimp. At saka pusit. Ayan guys, so what do we have on this bowl? So meron tayong corn, mussel, shrimp, crabs, malalaking crabs. So basically guys, it's a mix of seafoods. Ayan. This time, oh babe. Sarap. All at once.
Okay.
So, few minutes later, this is our table.
So kung kayo yung mga naghahanap ng bagong place
Yeah.
dito sa may San
Correct.
Fernando, Pampanga, so
Correct.
si Flame and Tide Bar and Grill is located dito sa may Lazatin Boulevard.
Yeah.
Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya is tapat siya ng Bliss Hotel. And ito yung dating place ng Talyar ni Kiko.
Talyar ni Kiko. Sikat dati yan sa Talyar ni Kiko.
And they are open from 4 p.m. to 12 midnight,
Yes.
Monday to Saturday.
Woo! Thank you so much, Flame and Tide. And congratulations for opening up. Mga kabalen, mga taga San Fernando, mga Fernandino, this is another option for you to check out. They got a wide array of choices
From mixed seafood, mga beef, pork, mga chickens, almost lahat ng mga menu ay nandito.
Alright? So yun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. When you share it, tag niyo po yung pinaka-best friend nyo, yung manlilibre. For watching more in Pampanga guys, until our next discovery,
Peace out.
Bye!